Hi, it's Sarah here from Crafting and Stamping, and I'm back with another quick card, a part of my new series of quick cards each week. This week I'm using the Expressions in Ink DSP, Designer Series paper, and I'm also using our Expressions in Ink ephemera pack. Now this comes with 5 sheets of these gold press outs, and you just need to carefully push these from the gold foil. And you've also got some little bits of gold foil left, so if you've got some little die cuts or punch shapes, you may be able to get a little bit more even from these. And the bits that I've pressed out from the centre I'm keeping. I may be able to use those as well. Also in the pack you get these sequins, adhesive backed sequins, and you may just be able to see that some look a little bit more pinky purple, and there's a few that look a little bit more green, which will go with my colour scheme here. I've got a Pear Pizzazz A6 card base, and like I say, I've cut a card front from the Expressions in Ink. So the first thing I'm going to do is stamp my sentiment, and I'm using again the artistically inked stamp set, and I've gone with the Best Wishes. So I'm going to stamp this. This is Pear Pizzazz ink. Just get that nicely inked up, and I'm going to stamp this fairly central at the base of the card front. And because this is on a little bit of an angle, it's very forgiving. You don't have to get it exactly straight, which is really helpful. So I've got that on, and the reason I did that is just in case I do make a mistake, I could always flip that over and use the other side instead if I need to. So I'm now going to adhere this to my card front. So just get my seal going. Along the outside edges, that's how I tend to use this. And then I'm going to pop this on my card front. And to be honest, that looks great just as it is, but I am going to use that ephemera pack to just pretty up a little bit further. So just turn over and press from the back so that I don't smudge any ink. Now, these can be a little bit fiddly for adhering. So one of the things that I'm going to do is use a glue dot or two, and I'm just going to pick this up, and I'm going to pop this. I'm going to get my hexagon positioned, and then I'm going to pop it here. So press that, and it doesn't want to stay. Try and press that down, and then I'm going to pop this. Actually, I might need to just change that. So I'll pop a couple of glue dots just on the back of my leaves, and it's probably easier actually to just press the leaf to it. So I'll do that, but I'll show you what I'm going to do to just cover that up. So I'm going to take one of these little sequins, and I'm going for the more yellow coloured one, and then I'm just going to pop that up over that glue dot that I'd used, and I'll pick another one. Again, I'm going for another yellowy one, and I'll pop that just here to anchor that side, and then I'm going to take a few more. I like to use odd numbers, so 3 or 5, and I'm going to pop a few around other places. So still going with the more yellowy ones. I'm just looking to see whether that's going to, I think we'll have one just there, and So I've got 4 on there, so I like to have odd numbers. So I think I'll pop another one just there. And there's our finished card. So like I say, that's the Expressions in Ink set. There'll be a supply list below for you to be able to purchase if you want to. And I'm also going to be doing a craft class to go sort of later this month. Registrations will be opening for that in the next couple of days. If you like these videos, then please hit subscribe so that you see future ones, and thank you for stopping by.